Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily check if your battery drains very fast on your iPhone X and how you can fix it. So for fixing this problem you can go to the settings, so just open the settings. First thing you need to check is just to go to screen time. So here you can see it under do not disturb, so just open it and just turn off this function. So here you can see that I successfully turned it off, so you just need to turn it off. Another thing you need to try is just to go to general and find your background app refresh, so just turn off this function. So here you can see that by default it's turning on, but you need to choose turn off. So, and also the latest thing you can also try is just to go to App Store here and just turn off app updates. You can see automatically download new purchase included free made on the other devices. So just turn off this function too. So and just try. I hope it will help you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.